Hey guys, Sak here from SAKITECH, and in today's video I'm going to be talking about the Samsung Galaxy Note 10. So we have had some multiple leaks from multiple sources that have confirmed many of the features that we were expecting on the Note 10 and also confirmed some of the features that will be removed from the Note 10. So let's dive in and take a look at these leaks. So the very first leak comes, actually a series of leaks comes from Ice Universe. This one right over here says Galaxy Note 10 Pro screen cover, which is more realistic than all previous protective films, please prevail. So if you look at this leak, you'll notice that we have extremely thin bezels. Now we have seen this on another leak, but that was a low resolution photo. This is much better. This is probably exactly what you're going to see on the Note 10. And of course, if you look at the top in the middle, you do see the punch hole cutout. That's going to be for the front camera. So this is the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Pro, the larger model with a 6.75-inch display, and it's only going to have a single camera cutout, unlike the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus that has a dual pill-shaped cutout. So that's great news that we have more leaks confirming this reality. So anybody that's wondering whether or not the phone is going to have an all-screen display, you can forget about that. It is going to have a hole in the center top of the actual display. And if you look at the side and top bezels, they're extremely thin. Okay, so that's going to look fantastic. We do have a slight chin at the bottom, but if you compare this to other smartphones like the S10 or the OnePlus 7 Pro or the S10 Plus, you're going to notice that all these bezels are thinner than all those other smartphones. So this is going to give it a boost in terms of screen to body ratio. Now let's move on and talk about something else over here. So the other leak that we have here is also from Ice Universe. And what he's doing here is he's saying compare the size of the Note 10 and the Note 10 Pro. And as you can see, the Note 10, the smaller version, that's most likely going to be $900. That has a 6.3-inch display. And then the Note 10 Pro, which is a 6.75-inch display, is going to be probably $1,100 or maybe $1,000. So that's the difference in size. You can also see the cutouts where you would find the fingerprint sensor. So these are simply some screen protectors giving you an idea of the size difference between the two smartphones. And another leak actually came from a different leakster. Now this guy I've seen for the first time. His Twitter is @Sudhanshu1414. So basically what he leaked was he leaked the actual cases of the Note 10 and the Note 10 Pro. So let's take a look at the Note 10 Pro's case. If you do look at the rear, we do have that vertical cutout for the triple rear cameras. And also we have the other cutout that's going to house the fourth time of flight camera, and of course the flash and most likely the heart rate sensor. If it is still there, that's something I was not able to confirm yet. And then if you look at the other case on the top, you've got the microphone cutouts. And at the bottom, which is the important part, is you're going to have an S Pen cutout. You're going to have a speaker grill cutout. And you're going to have a USB Type-C port where you plug in to charge the phone. And of course, you have that little hole, which is not a 3.5mm headphone jack. That one is also for the bottom mic cutout. So the headphone jack is really gone. When you look at the sides of the case, you'll see a volume up and a volume down button, as well as a power button. Now remember, on the other side of the case, you see no buttons, and that's because we do not have a Bixby button. We're only going to have a volume up, volume down, and a power button on one side of the smartphone. He also provided a case leak, the same leakster, for the Samsung Note 10. Okay, so that's a smaller version. And as you can see, the biggest difference here is on the rear. This one actually seems to have a phone inside it. So you have 3 triple cameras on the Note 10, the smaller version, plus a flash. You don't have the time of flight camera. That's going to be the 4th camera. And you don't have the heart rate sensor or whatever that may be. Okay, so that's it for now, guys. As you know, we are 100% sure there's going to be 2 Note 10s. Okay, remember that Note 10, small version, Note 10 Pro, the larger version. Most likely I'm going to get the Note 10 Pro, and I think most people are also going to get the Note 10 Pro. Historically, everybody goes with the larger version. So for example, there's more S10 Pluses sold than the S10s and the S10es. Or even when you go to the iPhone, you'll notice that more iPhones XS Maxes are sold than the iPhone XS's. Alright, so if you do have any questions, comments, or concerns, drop them down below and let me know. And for now, guys, have a fantastic day. I will see you in the next video. Alright, so if you found this video useful, make sure to subscribe to SAKITECH by clicking that button, and also click that bell icon on the side to make sure you get notified every time I upload a new video. And if you do use Twitter, Instagram, or Facebook, you can follow me at SAKITECH online to get the latest updates as well. Alright, have a fantastic day.